Clause 8 of para 3 of Caro 2020. What happened? Your client was doing their business in that financial year. Income tax came and they raided the company. Income tax department people came, raided the company. During that raid, they discovered some undisclosed income by the company. And now they want the company to pay tax on that. I'm just giving you an extreme example that raid happened. And then there is some undisclosed income came. And now the company is paying tax on that undisclosed income. So if the income is undisclosed, that means they would not have recorded that in the books of account, right? Simple. Undisclosed income का मतलब क्या होता है? That the income was never disclosed in the books of account, but the tax assessment happened. Income tax department discovered that income. So what is, as an auditor, you have to check whether that unrecorded income is now recorded in the books of accounts properly or not. Simple clause. I have taken the extreme example that raid happened. But in case of a normal income tax assessment also, if the department is doing the assessment and if there is any income that is surrendered or disclosed as income by the company, then that previous, all you have to check is whether that income is now recorded in the books of account during the year.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy? Simple, that's it. Whether the transaction not recorded in the books of account have been surrendered or disclosed as income during the year in the income tax assessment under the Income Tax Act 1961. If yes, whether that previously unrecorded income have been recorded in the books of account.